Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a new VPN application, Tik Tunnel VPN. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. We'll be dropping tutorials about VPN settings and VPN settings. Our goal is to make sure that all fast, high-speed VPN applications are set, and we provide you with a fast internet settings. So this is what we're going to do. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are a new member. Make sure you like the video and don't forget to share. So first step, open Google Play Store, and then you're going to search Tik Tunnel Pro VPN. So make sure you download and install this VPN application in your device, and then after open, allow all requested permissions, and then you can join their Telegram channel. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, and educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and then community guidelines that govern social media platforms. Then we are going to come where we see this option. The reason why I'm going to click that option is that I want to update the servers. Give it some few seconds to update the servers until you see a word that no updates are available. So we are going to come where you see the servers you have just updated. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Then you're going to choose any of those two servers. Choose one. Then you're going to come where we have add time. So guys, by checking that button, you're going to be preventing time left from expiring. So you will be requested to watch an advert of like 15 seconds so that you will be provided with more time. So the last step, you're going to come right here. You have the tricks, and then you're going to move from recommended to all country. And then after, you're going to type in your country's name. For example, you can type South Africa, you can type in Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, any country you can type in, it will be provided to you. But for all countries that support UDP, you're going to type in UDP, and then they will be bringing your protocols. But most so, I recommend this one. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. Choose that one, and then we're all coming right away where you have the start. Then press that button and give the VPN a few seconds to start up and load up the servers. That is it, and our VPN application has successfully connected. See you in the next video. I sign out.